Hey y'all.
Hey y'all. Hey. Hey y'all.
Hey y'all. Hey.
I'm Jamie Deen. Welcome to the Chicken Box. This is Jabria and Shug. I'm training her. She's going to take over for me one day.
Yeah, I am.
I wish it was yesterday.
We get that soon.
Jabria's awesome. When we first met each other months ago, she said, I want to work over at the Chicken Box. How can I do it? And I said, well, you got to earn it. She said, how do I earn it? And I said, I'll never see you earn it. You just got to go do your thing out here. So it didn't take long out here. Jabria, tomorrow she starts training on that side of the wall. So she's got food service experience. She's great with customers. I really love her. I'm super thankful for her. And this is the part of our business we really hadn't touched on. This is the buffet part of the Chicken Box that we offer. So every day, we get together some of our tried and true favorites that we serve upstairs. Our sides today are like broccoli casserole, yams, green beans, buttered rice, mac and cheese, green potatoes, collard greens, cream corn, stuff that we've been doing for years that people love. The proteins that we have, we do pulled pork every day, which we can offer for a barbecue sandwich. We do pork chops, which you also offer as a pork chop sandwich. We have chicken fingers, which you can substitute for, of course, the fried chicken that we offer every day. And what really has gotten popular around here in the last few months is the hot honey chopped chicken finger wrap. So I take a couple of chicken fingers, wrap it up, put together a really simple sauce, put it in a wrap with some nice lettuce. It's a really good lunch option for Savannah where it stays about 500 degrees.
Yes. And the peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I don't know what's going on with the peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, but that's like the best thing ever.
We sell peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, and I do it a different way. And Teresa saw them this morning and said, I've never heard of this before. And I said, well, that's why you got to come to the Chicken Box.
Yes.
So that's one reason why y'all got to come to the Chicken Box. We're having peanut butter and jellies here. We got our buffets. We got the bag lady stuff.
Show them some of the food, Jamie, so they can see.
Go ahead, Jabria. She knows her way around.
Yeah, Jabria, tell me about some of the stuff.
So here we have the macaroni. You got the macaroni here. You got the yams over here. Look at that. Nice, pretty texture, color to it. You got the mashed potatoes here. You got the broccoli casserole here.
And these were all originals that we used to have at the Lady and Sons when we did just our buffet.
You have the greens here. Look at that.
Those
nice.
Don't get any better
Look at
than, my Lord.
Great taste. Now you have the green beans over here. Look at that. With the potatoes and everything. Real Southern fried.
I'm taking home lunch.
Yes. And over here we have the pulled pork. Look, best pulled pork you ever have. Over this way, we have the cream corn. I don't even eat cream corn, but I eat this one. Over here we have our rice. And over here we have the gravy for the pork chops.
And then, again, they can pick. What can they pick?
You can pick anything from over here. Now, as far as our meat, you can even do your pulled pork sandwich. I can do your pork chop sandwich, chicken tender sandwich, a chicken finger sandwich, anything that you would like over here. You can even keep it as an entree. It's all
You
up
need
to
to keep
you.
her. She's a salesperson.
Well, I'm telling you, Jabria's going to be me. That's my whole point. You can do the TV stuff. You can do the bag lady stuff. Great. Fantastic. Start tomorrow. Thanks, y'all. Come down and see us at the Chicken Box.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.